Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube, folks. Today we are going to be talking Cardano, ADA, and we called it here on this channel last Monday. Before we get into the juice, check me out on Twitter. This is where I'm dropping all my crypto related nuggets. This is where I'm dropping all the links to the live streams I do, all the links to the upcoming videos. So with that said, check me out on Twitter if you are on Twitter at Real6Fig. Now let's get back to the TA here. Last Monday, I was saying through this Gartley pattern that I drew up that we were likely to see a reversal off this 127. Now this is huge, and you can see that I even drew up a few little marks where I thought price action might like to come crashing through the cloud. And in addition to all of this, I do think that there is probably a Wyckoff pattern in there, and that this could be the spring area of it. Now, going back to the Gartley pattern, we can see that from X to D, we want to see this number as close to the 786 as possible. We want to see A to C as close to about the 382 number as possible. We want to see B to D as close to the 161.8 mark as possible. So by using advanced mathematics, folks, we were able to determine where the bottom might be. To boot, we even have some Fibonacci time sequence telling us, hey, there's going to be a reversal here, possibly. So we've kind of got a double confirmation in regards to Gartley. We've got the time sequence and we've got Fibonacci all telling us these things. And that's why I'm the new guy in town calling the shots on ADA. I'm just going to be straight up with you guys. So with that said, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Where is ADA going to go from here? Well, now that we've established all of this, let's get rid of all these drawings. And I'm just going to throw up these marks back here. We know that price action loves to trade through the Ichimoku cloud in the thinnest portions of resistance, as especially going upwards. And we can see that here. It chose a very weak spot in the cloud to pass through. Here, not so much. But here, it chose a really weak spot in the cloud. And I think I went over and illustrated this in the previous video, how price action just likes to choose these thinner parts of the cloud to trade through. So I do think that there is a chance that we may see some sort of inverse head and shoulders right through this cloud at this point in time. And I do think that by the end of December, we will be seeing Cardano trading well above $2.22. Just my opinion. But I do think that we have hit rock bottom in a sense for now. Let's throw up a little Fibonacci channel. And we can see that if price action follows this channel, which it has done quite nicely, as a matter of fact, we can see price action coming down, experiencing resistance, or support, experiencing resistance, comes crashing down, experiences a little support here, some resistance here. You kind of get the drift. Support all along this Fibonacci channel line, support all along this Fibonacci channel line, a little resistance here, and you can kind of see what I'm saying. Is that I do think that for now, we are going to see some possible resistance for Cardano somewhere between the $1.81 to $1.90 level. Furthermore, once we get up into this next band, we're looking at $2.10 to $2.20. So these are going to be our support and resistance bands. And from there, I would say $2.41 to maybe $2.50 is going to be another band of resistance. So with that said, I'm hoping Cardano basically pulls a move like it did right here. Come down, hit a bottom, see price action, jump right out. So that is where I'm at right now with Cardano. And there's one other thing that I wanted to do is if we see this thing bounce to the upside, yeah, it would not surprise me to see this thing return back to the 161.8 or go higher. So I do think that Cardano right now is poising itself to make some new all-time highs in the form of Elliott wave theory. And I think we're going to see something just like this play out over the next month or so. We can see that if we go in here, bear with me 1 second, we'll just draw up some ghost bars. If we see something like that, it wouldn't surprise me to at least see price action run up to around, $3.70, somewhere in there. We just never know. But with that said, I do think that the 161.8, we need to get there first. And that's interesting that the golden ratio is showing up right around these all-time highs or highs around September 3rd when we measure from here to here. So I think that right now, ADA and Cardano is doing good. And I think that with Sunday Swap, that they're doing the test net. You can see that things are in place. They want to work out the final bugs before releasing a DEX on Cardano. So this is going to be huge. And I think that there might be a second wind of energy here that brings Cardano to the upside. Now, if we get all the way up here and they can't get it figured out, well, we're going to see another steep decrease once again. So I think that people are going to speculate, hey, they've got this new DEX coming. Let's buy back in. So that's my take on Cardano right now. Big shout out to all the Patreons. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. If you're interested in becoming a Patreon, $3 a month. Get your name, YouTube channel name, or business name up on this banner. Also, don't forget to smash that like button on the way out. See you guys.